I want to share something I recently did at Kuration. So one of the problem I have, and I'm sure a lot of other people have, is when you have a skill demo on your landing page, unfortunately, well, you have a lot of noise, meaning it's so easy to schedule a demo, people schedule, and then they don't show up. I had weeks where, some days I have like 2 or 3 no-show, which, it is okay. I understand, some people have family issues whatsoever, but it is super annoying, and you want to reduce this as much as possible. And you only want to talk to people that are relevant and they engage, and they're going to show up. And the one thing I realized is you're more likely to have a person show up if you already exchanged a few emails and you validated that the person is indeed interested. And so what we did is a simple form now. So you can put your name. So I'm going to put SNS. I'm going to put my email. I'm going to put my website. And the good thing, I need to find customer in the P2P space with niche ICPs. So what it does is I will actually get that information, and I will use Kuration to actually research those people, companies a bit further. I will automatically get a score, and if it's relevant and legit, I have one email getting out, and if it's not, I have another email going out. So I'll show you in a second. Boom, this is done. Now if I come here, it will take a few seconds to show up, but this is sent. Basically here I've got my data with my workflow. So each person will basically go through this workflow where I have a lot of different data coming in. We're looking at the profile, we're looking at the headcount, we're looking at the market, the profile details of the person, the job title. All those information are being taken into account, and we use our scoring agent to actually qualify each lead. So this is how it works with NN8. So we have the webhook, that's the form. The data is being where I've got my score, I've got the information coming from the form right here. Then it's going to Kuration. We are sending the data to Slack. That's right here. Boom. This is an 8.2 score. This is pretty good. And we actually explain why we believe this is good. Now, whenever I've got those notifications, what I can do is I can simply say yes. And that's triggering a response over here. And we'll send an email for that here. So because it was a yes, I have the actual button to schedule a demo with myself. I mean, in that case, it's myself. But if I say no, that will be another email. We'll basically send just the material to the person, some videos, pre-recorded. But basically, I would not give my time for this opportunity. I will try to qualify a bit more with some more videos and some more questions. So this is the flow. So just to summarize, so what I've done is I have a form here. So instead of giving right away my scheduling demo link, you can click here. You've got a form here where I collect some information. The data is going directly to a spreadsheet where I collect all the use cases, then send this data to a workflow that I built inside Kuration right here. And this workflow is basically collecting more information about the company that just came in, get a score. This score is then sent to Slack, where I can then finally give my approval. At some point, this will be fully automated, but because this is just a start, I want to keep a kind of a sanity check for now. I can read the headcount, see the size of the company, and then I can give my approval or not, yes or no. But this will save me tremendous amount of time, and also remove or decrease the number of no-show, which is really the goal here. And I've got my different templates with loops. And yeah, that's it. That's the workflow I built to save hours and prevent me to wait for no reason on a call.